Hey, do you want to know that there are simple but effective Google tricks? Let's find this out. Hey, my name is Pranav and you are watching Tech Gadgets Unboxing. So our first and simple trick we are going to see. We are so much curious about the search result only showing 10 pages at the bottom. Now you can change those results. Go to the google.com, then bottom right of your screen, click on settings, then search settings. Now you can see the result per page and you can choose your desired options in it. Very effective and very simple. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Let's move on to the next trick. We always wanted to open a website link in a new tab so we can see the other websites also. Every single time we have to hover over a link, right click on it, or we have to press and hold the control key. Kind of frustration, isn't it? But here is the trick. Go to the google.com, bottom right of your screen settings, click on it, then search settings, and then where result open option is there, click on that option and save the option. Hey, easy that, huh? Now go to the Google, type anything, search anything, hit enter, and you can click any website, and voila, here is all the website you click, it will be open in a new tab. I told you, simple but effective. Next trick is a very important trick, and if you miss this step, this is your loss. So what is this trick? You know, there is a red button over there or written on subscribe in it. Click on it and hit the bell icon. What will happen? So our videos which we uploaded on the channel, this notification will come right straight at you. Right? Don't thank me later. Okay? So we are going to see the next trick. So the next trick we are going to see, every time there is a one specific word which are unable or difficult or how to pronounce that word in front of public meetings and in front of thousands of people, if you are giving a speech, go to the google.com, then type pronouns. After that, type that word which you want to pronounce and hit enter. Turn the volume up so you can hear how to pronounce it, and there you go. It's an excellent trick. So let's move on next trick. I bet that you have get these tricks and tips from me. So we are going to see our next trick. So the next trick we are going to see, we completely ignore this trick as it for parents because the parents didn't know about it. But if the parent is seeing this video and seeing these tips, you might get helpful tips and tricks from this video. This trick can search and filter the options and hide the exploit content like pornography. So go to the google.com, then settings at the bottom right of your screen, then search settings and turn on the save search filter, tick on that checkbox and then let the magic happens. Okay, I hope you get this wonderful trick for your children. So let's move on the next trick. Next trick. everybody knows English today as a modern generation. Sometimes our grandpa, grandmother or any other people who doesn't know even about the English language. Take India for example. India has a million languages like Punjabi, Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Urdu and many more. So Google has given a wonderful feature in it, so you can set your own language in it. Go to the google.com, then settings, then search settings. You can see the language option under the search results and click on it. You can see the heck of the language options in it. Just choose a language and then see the magic. All your English options are now in your selected language in it. It is cool, right? It's simple but effective. Let's move on to the next one. Oh. So the next trick we are going to see. So the next trick is someone is familiar with it, as we know it, but here is the different trick. As we know that there is Control Shift Delete to delete the entire browsing history. But hey, what about your search activities? Now go to the google.com settings, then click on the search history. Then you can see all your search activities in it. Just simple delete your activities, then click always and select all and click next. All your search activities will be removed. I told you, simple but effective. But hey, don't forget my channel to subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Okay, so let's move on next trick. Last but not at least, guys, do you familiar with what is and do you have seen this? What is what is Catchy and similar? When you search on a Google and when you click on the link, there is a one small drop down menu which is Catchy and similar in it. So we will see what is Catchy. Catchy is like taking a snapshot or take a screenshot, whatever you may call it. So you can see the information when the last time the Google crawled on the website. This is very helpful. So you can use it and you can actually find it out when the website was crawled on the Google. Simple, right? So the next option is similar. Do you know what is similar is? So the similar is like when you search on the Google and when you click on the similar option, the search engine will automatically identify the similar website and it will show you on the result. It will be the various website links or rather images or videos, anything which are regarded to that content. It is pretty interesting, right? So this is the trick I have shown. Hey guys, this is it. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you get a lot of information from this video, and make sure that you please like this video, share this video, and make sure that hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can also follow me on the social media on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Till then, I will see you on the next video. Thank you.